Welcome back to Autoverse Reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of extreme performance and artistic engineering with the 2026 Pagani Zonda, a legend reborn, refined, and more breathtaking than ever. The Zonda has always been the soul of Pagani. It's where it all began. A supercar that didn't just challenge the norm, it redefined it. And in 2026, Pagani brings the Zonda back with modern enhancements while preserving its original magic. Let's talk design. The 2026 Zonda stays true to its roots with a sculpted carbon fiber body, flowing aerodynamics, and that unmistakable Zonda profile. But look closer, and you'll see sharper lines, active aerodynamic elements, and even more exposed carbon detailing that scream performance and exclusivity. Pagani isn't just about looks. It's about obsession-level detail. Every component of the Zonda is hand-finished. From the machined aluminum knobs to the titanium bolts, this isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of art. Now let's step into the cabin. Inside, the 2026 Zonda blends old-school craftsmanship with futuristic touches. The iconic central gauge cluster remains analog, but there's now a subtle digital display integrated without compromising the vintage feel. Leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and billet aluminum all come together in a cockpit that feels more like a private jet than a car. Under the hood, or should we say, behind the driver, is where the real magic happens. The 2026 Zonda is powered by a naturally aspirated 7.3-liter AMG V12, refined for modern emissions but untamed in its character. It produces a staggering 800 horsepower and revs past 8,000 RPM, delivering pure mechanical bliss. 0 to 100 km per hour comes in just 2.7 seconds. But the numbers don't tell the full story. The sound, the feel, the raw feedback. This is a driver's car in its purest form. Rear-wheel drive, hydraulic steering, and a 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, a manual in 2026. Pagani kept it analog for the true enthusiasts. Handling is razor-sharp thanks to a lightweight carbon monocoque chassis and active suspension tuned for both road and track. And with a total weight of under 1,300 kilograms, the Zonda dances through corners like no other. Safety and tech. The Zonda keeps it minimal by design. No massive infotainment screen, no lane keep assist, just a racing harness, traction control, and a small telemetry system for those brave enough to push it to the limit on track. Pagani plans to make only 50 units of the 2026 Zonda, all of them already spoken for by collectors and connoisseurs worldwide. Each car is bespoke, built to the customer's exact preferences, with nearly limitless customization options. The price? Well, exclusivity comes at a cost, starting at over $3 million. But for those who understand what the Zonda represents, it's not just a car. It's a legacy, a tribute to Horacio Pagani's vision, and a symbol of what happens when engineering meets emotion. The 2026 Pagani Zonda isn't about breaking records. It's about breaking conventions. It's raw, it's loud, it's extreme, and it doesn't apologize for any of it. That's all for today's review on Autoverse Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive artistry, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews of the world's most exclusive machines. Until next time, keep chasing horsepower and stay passionate about the drive.